Hello everyone. Today we're going to start the declutter. We're going to start with the mascaras and liquid eyeshadows. So we're going to hope that this is recording correctly at this point because I am trying my best to be able to get it all in the right way. I will say this, these right here, as beautiful as they are probably going to be the easiest things to get rid of because I don't use them. And this little cart I have over to my side is like really not wanting to cooperate with how close I have to be. So, and I think this is shaded a bit too much. So we're going to go ahead and change the light. Like maybe it's not shaded. Maybe it's just, okay. Well, it's the old lighting I used to use. So I'm going to check this before it gets put up. So it does look like it's not shaded. Okay, these, I'm not using these. This has already been open on one side at least. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it away. It's the Photo Ready Revlon Photo Eye Art. We're going to throw it away, give it away to someone since that one's still good. So you'll be able to tell like this one. Can y'all see that? All that liquid in there? That's bad. That gets thrown away. So we'll put that in the box. This, I'm hoping y'all can see it. I'm trying to, you know, I might just stand up so I know you can see it. Okay, it's definitely upside down there. This is the e.l.f. Okay, that's not bad, so I could give that away to someone. Not one of y'all, because it's been used, as you can see. And some of these have been open because I have used them. I don't know, I may end up throwing them away. I'm going to look. Like the other one, I never used it, so I wasn't worried about giving that away. Milani, it's been broke open. The seal. It doesn't smell funny. It does kind of look clumpy though, doesn't it? No, that looks really pretty. All right. Then we got this one. I don't think I ever used this one either. I'm not going to stick it on my hand. I'm going to go ahead and put that in a different area because I don't think it ever touched my skin. So I want to make sure it stays that way. Along with this one. Those were both from their summer collection last year, which, I mean, I might not. These Stila ones, I got them at TJ Maxx, and they are so pretty. But I'm pretty sure they're out of date, so we're going to go ahead and throw those away. All these Stila ones, because I got them at TJ Maxx a couple of years ago. This one I've never used, and I got it from Boxycharm, so I know that one I do believe has never been used, but since it doesn't have a seal on it, I'm going to put it in the thing to give to a friend. This one I believe has never been used also, from the Disco e.l.f. collection. And these still have their seal on them. Not this one though. That one will go to a family member or a friend. And this one will go to a family member or a friend. This one will go in a box for a giveaway with the other stuff. And this Essence one I have had for a while, so it's going to get thrown away. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's done. All right. Okay. We're going to go ahead and use this little thing for the giveaway ones. Things that I'm giving away. Well, for now. I'm sure as I declutter, we'll have more. All right, I love this, but I'm still using the mini size, so we're going to go ahead and put this over to the side. This is the Saved by the Bell Wet n Wild mascara. I have opened it because we used it during the video. So that'll go right there. This is a brand new Clinique one that I literally just took out. And this is the brand new MAC one that I literally just took out of my drawer over here. All right. We have Vava Pink Lash Primer. I gotta look up when I got that, but... Alright, and we have a Laura Geller one. Ooh, yeah, that smells really chemical. I don't know when I got that, but that smells like... Whew! That's gotta go. This is the Lash It Loud. I'm pretty sure this ain't that old. Nope, it still looks good. This is the e.l.f. That's the wand. That's still good. We're gonna put that with the... We're gonna move these over here. Alright, this is the L'Oreal Mega Air Volume Mascara. Oh, it smells like flowers. I need to give that to my mom, probably. Because anything that smells like flowers, I end up getting a headache. So I'll give that to my mom. This is a Better Than Sex. I don't believe this has been opened. Sky High, or that has been open. I might need to check it, actually. This is the Lash Sensational Sky High. I love it. It still smells good. This is Anti-Gravity. I just got this one. Highly rated by Milani. I literally just got that one a couple months ago. Let's smell this one. I know I've used it. It has no smell to it. It looks like that. It's a lash primer. I don't think I liked it, but I can't remember, so I'm going to go ahead and give it another chance. Alright. This I've had for a while, so it's going, but I'm going to show it to you. This is the Colourpop Volumizing Mascara. I've had it for at least over a year, and I've used it, so it's got to go in the trash. Okay. This is Maybelline Colossal Plumped. I do believe I've had this one for a while. Also, is that an expiration date? I don't know. You see that? I can't tell what it says. But I know I've had this for a while, so it's got to go. Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. I think I just got my nose. I probably did. I probably got my nose a few times, so I'm glad this video isn't showing. Honest Beauty. This is newer, I think. I think I got this on a, see this side, and then the other side is a primer. I think I do like this one. I haven't had it that long. Yeah, it's a primer on this side. Okay. This one's still good. This is Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. I love this one. This is all Urban Decay Perversion. I've not opened this, so I'm not going to. I love that mascara, but I haven't gotten to it. Haven't opened this one either. I do believe I have another one. Let me go ahead and open this one to make sure that it's still good. No, actually it's not. See, even if you don't open them, they could go bad. That's got a real... Let me go get that other one to make sure. I do believe I have another one over here. Where'd it go? There it is. It's the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Literally in a box. Let's see if it smells real chemical. Oh, they have the same scent. And they were both opened on the same day. So, okay. And this one is literally only a couple of months old and never been out of the box. So, those need to be used. This is the Wet n Wild Big Papa, which means this one needs to go. Because I literally just bought this one not that long ago. And I have used it. Which means all the other Wet n Wild ones, besides the Saved by the Bell ones, are older. Blink. I don't think I've opened this one yet. So we don't know if we like that. I love the Rollerball. This one, how many do I have that aren't open? That would be it. This is one of my favorite ones by Benefit Cosmetics. This one's never been opened. Don't plan on opening it yet. This is the They're Real by Benefit. Can't remember if I've opened this one before, so it still smells good. This NYX Worth the Hype. I do believe it's still good. Wow. Smashbox Full Exposure. I don't think I've opened that one, so we're going to put it over there. And Bad Girl Bang. I know I've opened this one. That's what the wand looks like. You know what? I know I've opened that one. I'm throwing it out. because I can't remember the last time I used it. So 6 months is the shelf life, if not 3 on mascaras. Let's look. Let's find one that tells us. They usually tell you on the back. Once you open, throw away. You know, it's got that little trash can thing on it. I can't find one on here that's got it. But I promise you, I believe it's 3 to 6 months. Okay. This is the one I'm still using by Lash Idol. So we're going to put that back on the counter over here. Oh, we'll put it over here for now. Alright, this is an Estee Lauder one again. I believe. Is there another one? No, that's a Clinique. This is Clinique. This is Estee Lauder. Haven't opened it. This is Buxom. I haven't opened that one. Or maybe I have. 6 months. The Morphe one also. I have so many different ones in here. The Viseart one. I know I've opened that one. I know I've used this Anastasia one. What is this? Oh, this is base for your eye, like primer. Eye primer, seamless eye primer. Go. So this isn't even supposed to be in here. I thought that was a mascara. Okay, you can see this one's dusty. Yeah, that's got to go. Lights, camera, lashes. I do like that one. Let's smell the Buxom one. It doesn't even feel like it's been open. It hasn't. Now it has. Okay. There's the Morphe one. I need to start using different ones. This one, I believe, has never been opened, so I'm not going to open it. But the Christmas one, I know I remembered opening it. You like that sound when it opens? Okay, the Hourglass one, I know I've opened that one. This one, I opened a long time ago. Yeah, it's got to go. That's the Damn Girl Mascara by Too Faced. It Cosmetics Lash Out Loud. Lash Blowout. I did use this. It's got no scent, which is weird because the other one smells so chemical. Alright, we got this one, Milani Highly Rated. I've had this for a while. Yeah, that's got to go. It stinks. Then we have the Lancome Cialis Boost. This is a primer. I haven't used that yet, or I have. Pure Fully Charged. That one is old. This one is good still. Then we have this. This is recent. I haven't used that yet. This is another Clinique one that I have used. So we're going to take this one and put it in the little box for a giveaway. Lashtopia by Bare Minerals. Clear Brow Gel. That's not even supposed to be in here. And Climax. I've had this for a while, so we're going to go ahead. Let me show you the wand. But I've had this. Oh, wait. This has never been used. Okay. Yep. Okay. It's been open now. Seal's been broke. Alright, so this one, Lashtopia by Bare Minerals, has never been used. So, out of this drawer, we have kept, we're going to put all these little ones. We got, I'm going to put all the sample ones together. I think this isn't a sample one. I think that's a full size. Sample. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 sample ones. And we're giving away one sample one. And we threw away 1, 2, 3, 4 sample ones. Okay. Let's get that drawer over here so we could get this put together. Okay. See the drawer we put it in? Alright. This stamps I could use. You know what? We'll just count everything we're keeping. So, I believe there was 17 of these we're keeping. Alright, we got Tiente Idol. 2 of those. Falsies, Perversion, Big Papa. You know what? We're going to see what fits in here. This little thing here. We're going to put Honest Beauty. Okay, Honest Beauty, Big Papa, Maybelline. We're going to try to trade them into drugstores and higher end brands. NYX. Drugstores. Drugstore. Milani's Drugstore. I don't know who that is. Alright. And we have room in this drawer. I didn't even count those, so... Okay, are y'all listening? just go ahead and count those. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18... 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Keeping 33 mascaras out of that drawer, which is a lot. Nobody needs that many mascaras, ever. And we got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 items, and I don't remember the other one. If you remember it, put it in the thing below, and I'll try to watch this again before I post it up. I do need to watch it before I start on the lipsticks, which are the other 2 drawers on this thing that I got a feeling I'm about to be getting rid of a lot of lipstick because some of this is really, really, really old, and it's sad. So I'll see y'all in the next one. And by the way, if this is a good video, it's going up on Friday, and I do have the winners to the giveaway. There is 3 winners. There's 1 makeup winner, and then there was, I'll have to do a video, but there's 2 international winners and 1 not international winner. I didn't expect to have 2 international winners, but I will explain it in its own little video coming up soon. So I'll see y'all then. Bye.